is there any way that we can save this dress? Well, when a wedding gown lives in a storage shed for years, there's a high probability that a rat is gonna make it their new home. And that's what happened here. So today, we start this unbelievable challenge. As you can see, we have a lot of work ahead of us, but we always start by removing the metal. Next, we have to prepare the fabric for the cleaning process by using Spots-Go and submerging the gown completely. This helps to protect the dress and helps to jumpstart the stain removal process. Now we're ready for the king of stain removal, sodium perborate. The dress goes in and it's left to soak overnight. And I promise you are not ready for what comes next, because my jaw literally dropped when I saw it. Just look at the difference. I was not prepared for this drastic of a transformation. And now we move on to step 2, which is an Avalon bath. This will help to remove anything that got left behind. A few hours later, and truly there are no words for how amazing this dress is turning out. But again, Bill isn't finished, and it's time to use the optical brightener. This isn't bleach and it isn't a bluing agent. Its chemical makeup brightens whites by absorbing the UV light from the fabric, making it more vibrant and lustrous. Now, it's time to be wet cleaned on our hand wash cycle. After being hung to dry, the results are even more mind-blowing that it's hard to believe that this is even the same dress. The next day, Bill starts the process of finishing this incredible gown, and never forgetting the hanger loops. Now, because the rats did more than just make this dress their temporary home, they also chewed through the fabric, which made matching holes along the bust. So to truly finish this restoration, Pamela helped us to acquire matching lace flowers to cover the holes, and Bill and Jocelyn worked to perfectly place them in a way that looked like they were always meant to be there. Now, it's time for Jocelyn to work her magic. The before and afters of this gown truly leaves one speechless. To be able to come back from a rat disaster like this to like new condition is absolutely incredible. Now it's ready to go back home. This restoration was a huge surprise for a daughter from her loving parents. She had no idea that it would show up on her doorstep or that this would be the end result. What once felt completely beyond saving is now something so beautiful, it's hard to believe where it started. This gown didn't just go through a restoration, it was given a second chance, thoughtfully and lovingly brought back piece by piece. Knowing it was a surprise from her parents makes it even more special, because it's not just a dress being returned, it's a moment, a memory, and so much love wrapped into one. And now it's finally home exactly where it belongs.